This is the brand new hydrogen leak detector Sensistor Sandtrack Strix edition. What's new? Which application this new version is designed for and what is different to the standard Sandtrack? Just check out this video. Hello and welcome to the Inficon channel, introducing the brand new Strix edition of the well-proven Sensistor Sandtrack hydrogen leak detector, which is available since February 2021. Maybe you're already aware of our very successful previous hydrogen leak detector models, such as the Sensistor H2000, Sensistor ASH or ISH 2000, or simply the standard version of the Sensistor Sandtrack. If not, you will find some other videos about this version linked in the video description down below. Simply watch these videos to learn more about the sensor principle and typical applications of this unit. In this video, we will focus on the new Strix edition and what makes it unique. Wait a minute. It's looking exactly the same like the standard Sandtrack. Where is the difference? It's here. Or even more precisely, up here, in the probe tip, on the sensor itself. Even in the new Strix edition, the well-known semiconductor sensor is used again, which guides the operator reliably to the exact position of the leak. But this time with some specific modifications designed to optimize certain sensor characteristics. While visually the diameter of the probe tip has become smaller, improving movability in difficult to access areas, the main evolution is the significant improvement in response and recovery time, alongside with an increased sensor lifetime. So who benefits? Generally speaking, it is you. If you are looking for leaks in the 10⁻⁵ millibar per second range. In this case, the new Strix sensor gives you the extra reliability needed to find these small leaks accurately and consistently. When compared to Inficon's standard Sandtrack, the new Strix sensor shows significant improvements in process safety. Compared to older versions of hydrogen leak detectors, the new Strix edition is a real quantum leap. And now I'm going to demonstrate the difference in performance between our leading Sensistor Sandtrack and the new Strix edition. In this test, a standard Sensistor Sandtrack and a new Strix edition were compared to each other. Both units were set on the same sensitivity 12 and both units were calibrated with the same reference leak, just to make all the measurements 100% comparable. For the measurements, this test leak was used with a leak rate adjusted on 2 10⁻⁵ millibar per second. And now I simply try to put the measurements of both units synchronized side by side. It's pretty obvious that the response time of the new Strix edition is much quicker. Depending on your individual application, the difference can be up to several seconds. By using the new Strix edition, you clearly reduce the risk to miss relevant leaks, as your test procedure is less dependent from the operator and if he is remaining the probe long enough on each spot, or if he is testing slowly enough. Should you consider the new Centrac Strix edition? The Strix sensor gives the most added benefit for finding small leaks, in the range of 10 up to the -5 milliballiter per second. Typical applications for these requirements can be found in the refrigeration and air conditioning industry, where in the pre-test of components and refrigerant cycles you need to find leaks which are corresponding to just very few gram refrigerant loss per year. Quite similar to the automotive industry and pre-testing of mobile air conditioning units. The phenomenal sensitivity of the new Strix sensor, however, means that hydrogen can now be considered for testing fuel systems, which are typically specified in the 10 up to the -5 range as well. For many of these and similar applications, the new Strix edition is the ideal tool. With all the benefits offered by the new Strix edition, is there any reason to look at the standard version of Sensistor Centrac? The very simple and clear answer is yes, because each of these two models is optimized for completely different applications. Manual leak testing is an operator-dependent test method. It works just as good as the individual operator who is doing the leak test. In general, this operator dependence becomes even bigger the smaller the leaks are you need to find. The new Strix edition is designed in a way to reduce this operator dependence for finding smallest leaks on a minimum, improving the process safety of the overall leak test. Bigger leaks in the range of fluid tightness, 10 up to the -3 milliballiter per second or even bigger, can easily be located with a standard version of Sensistor Centrac. This version is optimized for best selectivity, and high selectivity simply means less cross-sensitivity issues. So you see, for many different applications we have different leak detector options available. And in case you are not sure yet which of these units is the best choice for your application and your individual needs, simply get in touch with us.
Sprechen Sie uns einfach an.
Another very important topic we urgently need to clarify. Can users of Sensistor hydrogen leak detectors upgrade to the new Strix edition? For owners and operators of a standard Sensistor Centrac, this is quite easy. When ordering a new Strix hand probe, you will also get a software update for your Centrac on top. After installing this software, your Centrac will be able to determine which of the hand probes is connected. So you can easily switch flexible back and forth between both sensor versions and probe types. For the users of older models like Sensistor H2000, ASH or ISH 2000, we of course offer solutions for upgrade or exchange as well. In this case, simply contact your local Inficon representative. I hope this gives you a good overview into the new features of the Sensistor Centrac Strix edition. If you like this video and you like to see more videos of this type, maybe about other units, simply leave us a thumbs up or write your ideas and feedback in the comment section down below. Subscribe our channel and click the notification bell not to miss one of these videos in the future. And in the video description down below we also put together lots of information for you, such as our free of charge webinar library where we are teaching leak testing basics, from leak testing 0 to leak testing hero. Of course, you will also find all information on this unit linked down below. So thanks for watching, take care and goodbye.